This is your math choice board. This activity is vending machine math. This is the page you're going to be using for this activity. Please make sure you write your name. I forgot to write my name. For number 1, you're going to figure out how much it costs to buy a pencil and a toy car. So I have to figure out how much the pencil costs and how much the toy car costs and add them together. Number 2 is similar. I have to figure out how much it costs to buy a fruit bar and a ring. I find out the prices and then I add them together. For number 3, you're going to need these 3 different shapes: a triangle, a square, and a half circle. You're going to put any of these 2 shapes together to make a new shape and draw it on the back of the paper. Now it's your turn.